In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Attack Shark X11 device sleep. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Device sleep seems to be a common problem among various different Attack Shark mouse models. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to fix this problem for the X11 specifically. Now, I assume that most of you have tried basic fixes like reinstalling the software, making sure that it is charged to 100%, trying out different USB ports, and if all of those failed, then what you can try is first unplug the USB dongle, so make sure that it is not connected to your PC while you do this. And once it is unplugged, find the mode switch button. So on the X11, it is going to be this particular one here. If you have a different model, you might be able to follow along if you have a similar button to this one. So when you find a mode switch, press and hold this button down for a couple of seconds. With the USB dongle disconnected from your PC, press and hold this button until eventually you will see one of these LEDs here start blinking. It is going to switch from blinking slowly to blinking rapidly, and the one that you are looking for is the 2.4 GHz, assuming that you are going to be using the dongle, of course. So once you see it blinking rapidly, now you can go ahead and plug the dongle itself again into your PC. If you did this properly, the 2.4 GHz connection should have been re-established and the device sleep problem will go away. And it is going to work for the X11 specifically, but also any other model of Attack Shark mouse that you might have. So attempt this and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, then try out all of the methods that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, reinstalling the software, making sure that the Attack Shark mouse is sufficiently charged, and plugging it into a different USB port. With all of that said, before I end this video, I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see on the channel metrics, only 83% of you, or rather, only 16% of you are subscribed. 83% of you are not. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel bring you the most up-to-date solutions to your problems, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.